Welcome back, RZR Adventure fans. Today's a pretty special day. We're going somewhere. We're picking somebody up first. We're gonna grab a trailer. Yeah. Grabbing a trailer, we're gonna take a trip, and we're gonna pick something up. Probably already know what it is, or at least can guess. Alright, we made it to our stop. Here's the trailer. Here's what we're picking up. For now. Let's see what happens in a minute. Well, we're on the road. How's everybody doing back there? Me? Okay. You guys excited to see what's coming next?
No, I don't know. I don't know.
Mackinac Bridge, maybe.
What bridge? What?
Well, I tell you, we're heading toward it, so I don't know.
Alright. Next stop, our special destination. Okay. Here we are at Extreme Power Sports in Gaylord. Picking up something new.
Oh, can I pick up this?
Do you know what it is yet?
A razor. Razor.
Okay, folks, here it is. This is why we're here. Brett bought himself a brand new 2019 RZR XP 1000. Take a look at that. Ride command. Low clearance trailing arms, the awesome third brake light, and the fang lights in the front. It's going to be a heck of a machine. That I think we're going to end up riding next week. So look for that. And here's the one we're going to get after this. Also low clearance trailing arms. An RS1. A machine for the captain. Anybody wants to sponsor the channel, you can go ahead and throw us one of these, so it'd be great. So that's it. We are on our way. We will catch you next time. Okay, a little edit at the end here. Before we left town, we noticed this. I don't know if that's damaged or just slipped out of place, but he's coming back off the trailer anyways. Well, we made it back. Got her all tucked away here. Show you that chock cup. Looks like it just got bumped and slid off when they were prepping it. Everything got loosened up and put back together the right way. So it made it home nice and safe. I'm gonna get out of here, and we will see this thing on the trail soon. Thanks for watching.